Now, the surprise offering from the House of Triumph at the 2018 edition of EICMA was in the form of the Scrambler 1200. Now, interestingly, it's not just one motorcycle, as there are two versions of it. We got our hands on it and tell you more about it.
First and foremost, the new Scramblers drop the street from their names. Like the existing smaller motorcycle, they are simply called the Scrambler 1200. There are two variants on offer, the Triumph Scrambler 1200XC and the Triumph Scrambler 1200XE. They are powered by the same engine as seen on the Truxton R, which is a 1200cc parallel twin engine. But in this case, they are tuned for better mid-range and low-end power and torque delivery to go with their off-road capabilities. Speaking of which, both of these motorcycles get fully adjustable all-in suspension at the rear, along with fully adjustable upside-down Showa forks at the front. The difference is that the XC offers 200mm of suspension travel, whereas the XC variant takes it up a notch to 250mm of suspension travel. Helping it further with its road promise is the combination of the 21-inch front wheel along with the 17-inch rear wheel sporting dual-purpose Metzeler tires. In terms of the features, Triumph is offering both of these motorcycles with things like cruise control, keyless ignition and their latest generation full-color TFT instrumentation cluster, which tells you pretty much everything about the motorcycle. And in terms of the design, they are bare minimum scramblers which look the business and still manage to have the old school retro charm that Triumph is known for. Expect these motorcycles to come to India next year.